Hey, this is Joseph Lebrecq, and I'm going to be demonstrating an application that we are developing at the University of Denver that works with our CourseMedia uh, system on campus. And CourseMedia, in case you don't know, is it's a media repository for digital video, images, and audio files, text slides, and other things that are useful for classroom presentation and study. So here's the app right here, and I'm using sort of an emulator. Here it's like something that goes through and sort of captures screens every couple of seconds, so it's going to look a little choppy. So bear with me with the technology. I just don't have any cameras that are good enough at capturing this stuff. So this is the initial screen that you'll see, and it'll tell you that by clicking submit, you're agreeing to the fair use statement. You can actually click here to read the fair use statement, which will come up, and you can scroll through this, and you can see the lag here based on the screen refreshing for this recording, but it's actually not apparent on the application whatsoever. So let's return to login, and we'll put in my DU identification number and hit submit. Okay, now we get a bunch of galleries. Galleries in CourseMedia are collections of digital objects, so collections of video clips and images and audio files and text slides and all sorts of stuff like that. So I've got a number of these here, and I can scroll through this. You can see the little icon of a person next to each one. This indicates that these are all personal galleries. There are also icons for course galleries and course gallery folders. So, but I just have personal galleries here. So let's click on, let's do this one, because this has a variety of different objects in here. The first one is a text slide, as you can see. And I don't have it doesn't render text slides yet. So I'll click on the next one, which is an image. And we can scroll through this little list here. You can see there's an audio file. Here's a personal image that's been uploaded. It's an uncatalogued image. We've also got things like external video from YouTube. Really the only things that I actually have rendering on stage are kind of normal images right now. So anything else just isn't going to really render. So let's go back out here. We can hit the back button, or I've built in some controls here that you can access with the menu button on Android. Let's go back to my galleries. And let's go to Study Shuffler, which is a gallery that contains only images. So you can see I can scroll through here, and let's find something with a lot of metadata associated with it. This might have quite a bit. So if we want to read the metadata, if we tap the image, it'll flip around, and then we get this metadata view, and we're able to actually scroll through all of this metadata. We'll load up another image here. It'll flip back around. Click on that to see the metadata. Click on it again to bring it back. And if I wanted to, I could bring this image into isolation mode. So I'll hit Option again on Android, hit Isolate. And this actually brings up the super large image, which we can then go in and do some transformations on. I don't quite have the transforms, obviously, working quite right on here just now. Let's load up another one. Isolation mode. But this should give you an idea. You're able to rotate and zoom and pan around the image to see some details. And you can see it's not working perfectly yet, and I'm kind of doing it strangely here, but you've got basic rotation and things like that. So that's what we have so far, and soon we'll have all sorts of other stuff, such as video playback from Flash Media Server, and the rendering of text slides and YouTube videos and so forth. So I'll probably do periodic video updates like this. So thank you.